Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Abu Zer's advice. God loves his servants and for this reason wants them not to commit any sin. A person who commits a sin and, for example, lies or abuses others, doesn't do any harm to God. It is the sinner who by committing sins suffers harm. Suppose that a doctor tells a patient that a certain kind of food is harmful for you. Now, if the patient behaves obstinately and doesn't follow the orders of the physician and eats that food, who will be harmed? Will the doctor suffer the harm or the patient? Certainly, you will reply that it is the patient who will suffer the harm, because by eating that food, his disease will become more severe. A sin darkens our spirit and deprives us from reaching God's paradise. God loves that we all human beings enter paradise. Sins keep us away from paradise. If someone really loves himself, at no time pollutes himself with sins. A man wrote a letter to Abu Zer, the loyal companion of Prophet Muhammad, and asked for wise advice from him. Abu Zer replied to his question, "Do not do evil towards someone you love." By saying this, Abu Zer meant that every person loves himself and will never do evil towards himself. The evil effect of a sin harms a person, and so no one should commit sin. The person who read the letter of Abu Zer was very much surprised and said to himself, "Is it possible that a person does evil towards whom he loves?" He wrote a letter to Abu Zer once more and asked him, "Did you see a person doing evil to someone he loves?" Abu Zer wrote in his reply, "You love yourself more than anyone else, but when you commit a sin and don't listen to God's commands, you have actually done evil to your own self."